I've put together a brief presentation for us to go over, but let's get to know each other a bit better first. How does that sound?
Sounds good. What would you like to know?
Could you tell me a bit about your business and what you do?
Yeah, I run an online flower business where we deliver flowers in all of British Columbia.
That sounds lovely. There's just something about receiving flowers that can really brighten up someone's day. How did you get started in this business? Here's something interesting. Typically, 98 to 99% of visitors to a website never convert into paying customers. They just bounce. Does that sound familiar? Do you have an idea of what your conversion rate might be right now?
I don't really know what our conversion rate is. I assume probably the same, the 1 to 2% that you mentioned.
That's a common scenario and something we can improve on. Once you pick a template, you can easily drag, resize, and reposition elements to your liking. We ensure your pages look great on all devices, including mobile, with our easy-to-use mobile view. Here's an example. Imagine a landing page for your Mother's Day bouquet. The page would be laser-focused on promoting these bouquets with beautiful imagery, a compelling call to action like "Order now to surprise mom," and a simple form to order or inquire.